Alright, centrifugal air filters, removal of disassembly, cleaning, inspection, repair, assembly with the install of the test of the toolkit SC494097-3L E12, wiping rags, multimeter, dry cleaning, install of the GPS, grease. No, repair the procedure of the assembly of the main air reservoir central air filter with the secondary centrifugal air filter. If the repairs of centrifugal air filter is limited to the replacement of the filter element, and perform step 3 and 4 with the 20 and 21. When removing the repairing brake valve of the component, the check of the airline pipe, the corrosion brake splits with the loose connection repair. Airline pipe because if the replacing defective pipeline within connection for the TM 55, 22, 10, 23, 3, 24, P for the navigational piping remove. Main centrifugal air filter for the following. Remove the 4 bolts, 1 with the lock washer, 2 with the disconnect air connection, 3 and 4. Tagging disconnect the connection, 5. Remove the 2 bolts, 6 with the lock washer, 7. And then check for the air filter, 8. Remove the secondary centrifugal air filter following the remove the 4 bolts of the 9 lock washer, 10 with the disconnect the air connection, 11 and 12. Tag the disconnect electrical connection with remove the 3 bolts lock washer, 15. Remove the secondary centrifugal air filter. Disassembly note that the secondary centrifugal air filters. Remove the 6 bolts, 6 nuts 17 lock washer 18. Remove 8 nuts 17 lock washer 18. Some of the bolt with a 19 gasket 20 with the filter body 21. Remove ring nut 22 with the filter element 23. Note if the drain solenoid valve is with the obvious defects, repair entire component. Remove 2 bolts 24 solenoid valve body 25 O-ring 26. Remove the 4 bolt 27 and flat washer 28 with the valve body 29. Remove the 3 screw for 30 and 31. Remove drain valve adapter 32. Remove the exhaust tube with assembly 33. 2 seal 34. O-ring 35. Remove elbow 36. Cleaning, inspection, and repair. Dry cleaning solvent 680. P6080 toxic flame with wear protective glove. The glove which is only well ventilated area of skin and eye can close with a down brief vapor to down even near open flame. Set for the heat flash point of 100 to 138 degrees Fahrenheit. Become dizzy to get fresh air. Medical aid immediately. And with contact with the eyes is made. Wash your eyes. Get medical aid immediately. Compressed air. Use the cleaning purpose will not exceed 30 psi to down. Use the compressed air against skin. You got a full face shield. Alright, when removing the repairing brake valve of the components, check air line with the pipe with the corrosion brake and the split loose connection repairing with the lines with the pipe with the existing plate with the defective pipeline with the connection refer to TM552 22 10 22 3 24 P with the identification of the pipe and U with the dry cleaning self with the clean metal part with the drive with the compressed air. Inspect parts and crack of the wears for the plate with the damaged part, replace air filter. Use multimeter check of the coil with a 75 volt DC with the resistant coil should be 30 plus or minus plus 5% of the 680 F furads. Replace the defective coil and readings are not obtained. The GPS grease, apply a small amount of seal to the seal groove to clean the lint-free cloth and remove the excessive grease. Assembly. Install O-ring with a 35 with the elbow, 36 with the exhaust tube, and assembly 33 with the install with the exhaust tube, and assembly with the filter bodies 31. Alright, install 2 seals with 34 and seal 31 with the drain valve, the adapter 32 with the install. Install drain valve with adapter, screw with the 3, screw for 30 when install the valve body, 29 volume drain valve with adapter 32, screw 4 washers 28 and nuts 27, and install O-ring 26 with the solenoid valve 25 with the screw with the 2 bolts 24, install with the new filter 23 with the filter body 2 with the screw with the wing nut 22. Note the secondary centrifugal air filters like your sump bowl within 6 nuts and lock washers 21. Install the gasket 20 and sump pump bowl 19. Screw the 8 lock washers 18 and nuts 17. Alright, installation 22. Install main central air filter by the following. Install air filter on the bracket, air filter 8 on the bracket, and secure the 2 lock washers 7 in bolt 6. Connect air connection 3 and 4 with the install of the 4 lock washers 2 and bolt 1. Connections on bolts 1, connection, electrical connection 5. Remove the tags. Install the secondary centrifugal air filter the following. Install air filter 16 on the bracket. Secure the 3 lock washer 15 and bolts 14. Connect air connection 11 and 12. Install 4 lock washers 10 and bolts 9. Connection, electrical connection 13. Remove tags. And that was your centrifugal air filters.